Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. So here I'm back with one of the good information video which I'm going to present is about the Hacktoberfest. First of all, I want to thank for some of the gratitude for the last year posted video, which is the diabetes prediction using machine learning. I hope everyone got some good insight and making use of that information. So now I just want to start re-recording the videos where I want to share a good information about the development related as well as where code and non-code contributions can be performed. So coming to the topic, you can go to the Google and check about the Hacktober Fish. So here comes the website, and here you can go to the Hacktoberfest 2023. And I want to congratulate Hacktoberfest for their 10th year for the supporting of the open source. Open source in the sense there will be different types of projects available in the GitHub, GitLab, or any of the platform where we can contribute to the code as well as non-code contributions. So here is the Hacktoberfest 10th anniversary. Congratulations. So here there are five sections available. If you want to join in the Discord community, you can go here and you can create an account if you don't have any account, or if you have account, you can just go and um, accept the invite so that you can be the part of the Hacktoberfest community. There is 7,548 members in the Hacktoberfest group. So, if you have any queries or information to be shared related to the uh, good information, you can do that. Other than that, please do not spam if you want to create a good community. Okay, it will not be a good community if we spam it, and you can be removed from the group because they will have rights to do that because they'll have some certain rules to maintain in the Discord community. Okay, so here there are other sections like participation. If you go to the participation section, you can go down and you can find some of the information. So here values in the sense everyone can participate to the code as well as non-code contributions. Here quality is fun, quality is key. Quantity is fun, quality is key. Okay, so this opportunity will lead to the good community building as well as giving the information to the different technologies where you can be part of that and get make use of it. Okay, so short term action and long term impact. So for every project, there will be some of the maintainers who will be maintaining these projects. Okay, so we need to build a good internet and future so that will have long term impact. Your action can also be a part of that participating. So, in order to participate, you can register from September 26th as well as up to 31st October is this duration. Okay, so here you can go and check the pull requests made in the GitHub as well as GitLab. Oh, I'm so sorry. You need to make the pull request. Okay. So you can go and check the GitHub as well as GitLab hosted projects in order to participate in this Hacktoberfest. If you hover and check and go to the new tabs, you can find these links available. Okay. This is GitHub as well as this is GitLab. Okay. So this is the GitHub, right? So this is created by DistroNotion as well as GitHub. So you can see, right, 30,000 followers is there, near to 30,000. So here you can go and hover in here and you can contribute to any of the language related repositories, and you can also sort it using the stars and fox and recently updated. Okay. So there are the different types of repositories. We'll see this information in a bit. So here project maintainers should accept the pull requests in order to count that your contribution is counted. If you want to tell that, you need to get that PR accepted by the project maintainers. Okay, so first 50,000 will have the tree planted in the name through Tree Nation. So here four pull requests should be done merged into the Hacktoberfest topic related repositories. So here October 1st to 31st, if any other contributions is done, they will receive the unique digital reward. So here are the resources to begin. You can go and click here and check what is the information available. So this is a blog related to the digital ocean. You can go and learn so how to contribute. Okay, table of contents, you can go why. So if you want to go to top, you can go to top, and you can what is meant by this. Okay, so here this is also one of the link which is available at the digital option. You can go and check. Okay. Yep. So how to use GitHub? Git. You can check this information. Okay. In order to start your contributions, you can go here to GitHub, GitLab. These are the different links available for the issues related. This is the for grabs.net and first issue. If anyone is starting right now, you can go to here and check it here by most stars or least stars, and you can go inside it and you can check. Okay. This is the tool available. Okay. For suppose if you want to do contribution to this, you can go to this website and you can go to the issues. First, you need to learn about the project. If you want to learn about the project, go down and check everything which is available and check. Make sure you check the code of conduct before you're doing your contributions. And if you want to do any mergings, there will be certain rules. You also make sure that you're checking that. So if you can go here, you can check here. If you are familiar with any language, you can also do this. Okay, you can go and check the information. Okay, so this is the resources which you can learn to do your contribution. You can also check these rules which are available. Main rules are you should not do the contributions which are a span. Okay, so suppose if you have any technical documentation, if there is any space that it is missed, you can do that, but it will not be considered in this Hacktoberfest. Okay, and it should not be labeled as span. You can check these rules. In order to be considered in this Hacktoberfest, it should be labeled as Hacktoberfest accepted or Hacktoberfest. Then only this will be accepted. Yeah, you can go and check. This information is for the maintainers. You can also do low or non-code, but not only white space. But these are the low code or non-code contributions. Okay, technical documentation, user experience testing, blog post or tutorial, case studies. Okay, non-code contributions also involve in this writing, translating, copy editing, talks or presentations, event organization, podcasts, social media, blog posts, video production, graphic design. Okay, so you can check low or non-code related information here. You can right click and go here and check. Okay, this is the video which is given by Logan Kilpatrick, Julia Language Community Manager. So one of the good person where I got to know from the Twitter. Okay. So here the rewards are actually they used to send a T-shirt or some other physical gift, but from now on they are doing the digital gifting. For the 50,000, they're planting a tree. For other persons, they're giving the digital rewards using the holopin. Okay, everything is given here. Okay. and go and check. Okay, coming to this, if you want to go to any event or attend any event, you can just go to the event section. You can go and check the events as well as you can create an event. Okay, you can download the event kit, and you can, if you're doing any events, you can check this information which is available in the events related and the guidelines. Make sure you're checking every guidelines available. Okay. If you want to donate, you can go to donate section and you can search for the projects and you can click on this. You can click on this. So you can go and sponsor here. You can enter and sponsor here. Okay. You can check more projects which is available for the sponsorship. And here comes the above. You can check this video which is available. And as I said, this is for the code as well as non-code, but make sure you are making a good contribution which will add value to the products. Okay, they are giving the digital rewards as I mentioned. So here are the advisory council. This is the Eddie Jody. Eddie Jod. I know about him through Twitter. He's one of the good person who um, makes videos, and I also got some of the good information from his videos. I'm happy that I'm seeing him as the advisory council. Congratulations, Eddie, and thank you for your more contribution in the YouTube as well as in the GitHub. I'm using your product, the BioDrop. Maybe I'm not sponsoring, but that's a good open source project. Uh, more people to come to the open source. Um, Thank you so much. So you can check and you can go to the socials and you can check what are they doing and how to. Many people do share their content. That's a good thing, right? You can learn from. So here the founder is from the Digital Ocean. In the cloud, you can check that information related to the products. AppRate is also one of the good product. Amplification is a contributor, sustainer, partners. So through this partner, digital awards will be given. And MLH, this is one of the good hackathon league creation, planting trees to this organization. Through this organization, GitHub, one of the major part of every coding is GitHub education. If anyone have any student account, you can make use of that student account and get some of the good benefits through GitHub education. GitLab. There is a blogging platform. Thanks. Maybe this is related to the machine learning. Hugging Face. This is also related to the machine learning. You can check the repositories and the information which is there. Paperspace. This is also a wonderful platform where I used in my working. I'm happy that Paperspace is also a part of the Hacktoberfest. So if you want to share any story, you can just share it here. And if you want to share any video submissions or social media related, you can check it here. And if you wrote any blogs, you can check it here. So this is about the about section. If you want to start, you can just click on start hacking. I already created an account. If you don't, you can create it. And this is my account. And if you this is the open related, you can create an account and claim them. So here are the follow merge request. This will be updating for 15 minutes. So whenever a PR is given, it will check for 7 days before because it should be valid and it should not be spammy. So make sure that you are contributing earlier. So I'm learning to involve more. So this time maybe I have or haven't done this, but I'm doing a small part by sharing this information. Okay. So there is a good repository which I found. So you can go to the GitHub. If you go to the GitHub and click on this Hacktoberfest, here if you go to the topic, you can find multiple repositories, right? So I found one repository AppFlow. Okay, yeah, this is the project which is developed by Flutter and Rush. This is alternative to the Notion. Okay, so you can check this UI related, and if you want to install, you can go and check it here. So this is the main documentation. So this is the employee website for the documentation. You can check every section available and make sure you're doing the right steps. So there are also information related to the software contribution. Okay. If you want to install, you can go to here, installation methods, and if you want to open it through the source, you can go to this section. And I'm on Windows. If I click on this, there is a beautiful video, good video, which is developed by Mayur Mahajan. So you can check this video and do your setup, and then you can do any contribution to this project. Okay, so if you go down, this is the app flow. Okay, this is the main repository. I forked it. So you can go to the issues section and you can go to the labels section and you can find good first issues for the devs. You can check any of the um, issue which you want and you can get assigned. Suppose if they're adding here, this is the description. You can ask to assign for anyone. They will assign you and you can work on and you can view and after that they will be closed. Okay. That's cool. After giving a pull request, make sure that you're following the guidelines. Okay. Then, if there is any label related to the Hacktoberfest, it will be considered here and it will be visible in your main Hacktoberfest profile. Okay. I hope I gave a good information. Thank you, everyone. I'll be back with another one of the good video. I hope anyone will get make use of this and they'll get or give any good contributions. If you're unable to do it this year or sometime also, do not worry. You can do it anytime, but make sure you're learning this information and trying to implement this. Thank you.